Prodigy exclusive solar solutions. Compact power, endless possibilities. Need reliable power that's always ready. Introducing the Prodigy exclusive 500-watt solar generator, now installed at Number 12 Acquisition Center, Ikorodu, Lagos. Perfect for homes, small businesses, and anyone tired of outages. This 500-watt generator delivers quiet, clean energy for your lights, fans, and essentials. Why go solar with Prodigy exclusive? Dependable power keeps your essential devices running smoothly, rain or shine. Eco-friendly and cost-saving. Cut down on fuel and electricity costs with zero emissions. Easy setup, big savings. Enjoy immediate power with long-term savings. Power up and live free of interruptions. Call us today at your contact number and discover the future of energy with solar. Prodigy exclusive solar solutions, power for a lifetime, clean for the future.